Alright, so based on this order number and payment ID, we will fetch the details of this order and print it inside this invoice. Okay, so first of all, we'll go to this order complete view here. Okay, so let's first take this order number. Order number is equal to request dot get order number, and let's say transaction ID is equal to request dot get what payment ID. Okay, payment ID. Now we have this order number and transaction ID. So now inside the try block, let's take the order is equal to objects order dot objects dot get order number is equal to order number. Okay, also is underscore ordered is equal to true. Alright, so now we need ordered products, because in the invoice we also want to show the ordered products, right? So that's why we'll say ordered underscore products, that's equal to order product dot objects dot filter. Will filter by order ID. Okay, order underscore ID is equal to order dot ID. Okay, and next inside the context we will pass okay, context is equal to, we need to pass this order and order products to the to this page. Okay, here order colon order comma ordered products colon ordered products. Alright, so we will actually cut this and put it here. Okay, so we are passing this order and order products, right? So in the except block we will handle payment does not exist and order does not exist error. Okay, first of all let's say payment dot does not exist comma order dot does not exist, then return the user to return redirect to home. Okay, that means if somebody puts a wrong ID here, and then the user should be redirected to home page. Okay, because with the wrong payment ID and order number, the object the order does not exist, right? So that's why in that case we'll be sending him to home page. Okay, so now we will implement all these things in the order complete.html. Okay, so first of all let's see, first we need to put the order number. Okay, so let me see where this order number is. So here you can see order. So what I will do, I will pass the order number from here only. Okay, order underscore number colon we have this order number, right? Or I can say I'll take the order number from order dot order number. Okay, and now I will put it here. So now I'll refresh. Okay, something is wrong. I think this should actually give us the order number. Okay, we did not pass this context here. We need to pass it, otherwise it will not work. Refresh. Now you can see this is the order number. Okay, the same way we'll pass the transaction ID also. Transaction ID colon payment dot payment ID. Okay, but this payment this payment does not exist, right? So we can take this from here, from the get request, but that's not the proper way. Okay, we'll take it from the database. Okay, let's say payment is equal to payment dot objects dot get payment ID is equal to this transaction ID. Okay, we got this payment object now. So now we will say payment dot payment ID. Okay, so now if I print this transaction ID here, okay, so you can print the transaction ID like this, transaction ID. Now you have this transaction ID. Okay, so order date you can actually so let's say order dot created at, I think created at, yes. Alright, now this status. So let's see if we are passing this payment. Alright, we will pass the payment. Okay, payment colon payment. This here we can pass print payment dot status. So this should work. Alright, completed. Okay, so now invoice 2. So this is the billing address of the user. Okay, so here what I will do, I will go to this place. Now I'll say invoice 2 the order dot full name. Now order dot full address. This is order dot city, order dot state, and order dot country. Okay, now it should be fine. Alright, so now you can see this is the address, and now instead of this description I'll say products. Okay, this is quantity, and products quantity and total. So here inside this table tr, so there are 3 tr, right? I'll remove 2 of them. Okay, we'll loop through this tr. I'll say for item in what? Item in ordered products. For item in order products, let's first end this for loop, and for, so this is the product name, right? So inside this I will say the item dot product name, and then the quantity, this should be, I think, item dot quantity, and now this is the product price. Okay, so now I can say item dot product price. Now let's refresh. All right, one product, quantity 1, 199, and this is the product price. And now we need this subtotal, tax, and grand total, right? We need to actually bring this. So subtotal is actually, we need to pass it from here. All right, so what I will do, I will here, after getting the order products, we'll say we'll say subtotal is equal to 0. Let's initialize it. Now I'll for loop loop through this order products. For I in ordered products, subtotal is equal to subtotal plus equals subtotal plus equals, then this product price, I dot product price into I dot quantity. Okay, so this will give us the subtotal, and I'll pass this here. Okay, subtotal colon subtotal. Now in here I'll say subtotal. Refresh. Okay, subtotal is not defined. Okay, so this should be, this is not underscore, no, there is no underscore here. Refresh. All right, so this is subtotal now. So right now there is only one product, right? So that's why it is giving you this much amount. And the tax we already have in the order table. We'll fetch that from there. This is the tax, right? Order dot tax. Now this is already inside our this grand total is inside our order total. Okay, so inside our order model, order dot order underscore total. All right, now refresh. So this is the amount now. Okay, so this is actually the subtotal, tax, and grand total. So what I will do, I will actually go ahead and add 3 to 4 products. Amount 2. Okay, I think only 2. All right, so I'll add something else. Blue and medium. Check out. Place order. Pay now. All right, we got the response. All right, now you can see we got this order number, payment ID, and this is the product name, and quantity 3, and this is quantity 1, and I think we did not add this product variation, right? Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to just say inside this with this product name, we will also say, okay, in the checkout we have the code for that. So now you see, I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this p tag and paste it here. Okay, now if cart item dot variations dot all, this is item dot variations dot all, then for I let's say I in item dot variations dot all, I dot variation category, and then I dot variation value. Okay, now refresh. Okay, now you can see green and medium, blue and medium. Okay, so that's all guys. I'll see you in the next one.